All right, so let's practice using nitrogen 14. So nitrogen is in period 2, so that means it has 2 rings for the electrons, 2 energy levels. Nitrogen has an atomic number of 7. The atomic number identifies the number of protons and the number of electrons. So we'll put the protons in the nucleus, and you're supposed to use green for protons. And then 14, let me go back up here, 14 minus 7 protons equals 7. So the number of neutrons then is 7. 7 plus 7 equals 14. So there's the mass. Mass equals protons plus neutrons. Okay, so then the electrons, you always have 2 on the first level except for hydrogen because he only has 1 electron. And then you start at the top, right, bottom, left, top. And that's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's nitrogen 14.